There's a bee flying around. There he is there. And he's defending his hood. And he's just been hovering there for a little while. Half an hour at least. And there's about 3 of them, but he's defending this little section. You can see him going up and down. Then he'll disappear and chase. He just chased something away. He comes back. There he is. You see? I'll see if I can get closer to him if he doesn't mind. I wonder if he'll come back. Ooh, it's hot. I haven't got my shoes on here. Let's see if we can see if he doesn't mind us. So I'm going to just hold it here. He's going to come back. You see him there? And he's hovering around. And he's coming back. And then something will come along and he'll just chase it away so fast. Oh, there he goes. It can't even keep up to him. I'll get right close to his nook here. You see him? I mean, let's keep there. He's coming in. There, you see him? Again. Pretty wild, eh? What is it that he's doing that is so no, I'm just waiting for him to go. Got my neighbors there, they're planting stuff. But I got a cherry tree over here and it's all in full bloom, so I'm wondering if he's saying, hey guys, get the heck out of my hood here. I got my plant. You go get your own. Oh, there he goes, see? I'll see, oh, he just took off. Come back, look at that, eh? Yeah, I should just do a different frame rate. Okay, I'm looking for my bee. There he is. Look at that, eh? Hey, buddy. Isn't that wild? Look how big they are. I'm trying to get him to go against the background. He can see me. See, he's up there. I just did a 60 frame per second just to see what it's like. Because he's a zippy little guy. Let's stay right there. He's going to come in and out of the frame. Oh. Neat, eh? Well, I'm going to try and shade it so we don't get the glare. There we go. Oh, there he comes. There he goes. Isn't that something? Look at the size of him. I put my hand up so you can see roughly. Like he's just only about 3 feet. Oh, he just chased a... He just chased another little bug. Flying bug. Yeah, this is his hood. And he's not going any... Oh, you can see him come and go, eh? Okay, he just went behind me. Wait, see if he comes back. It's bright today, and it's just you get the glare and you can't see him. Where'd he go now? Oh, he's right above me. Anyway, here I am spending my day doing the bee vlog. Life of a bee. I'm gonna move this way a bit. There we go. Maybe I can get a better picture. Now you can see him going. Let's see who comes by who wants to stop by without a special pass. Where'd he go? He's away from his post. Well, maybe he got hungry and decided to fill his pollination leg basket thingies there, his head or whatever. That was interesting. He's looking around to see. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I knew he was around. I wouldn't leave here just like that. Oh, he's way up there. Oh, he's fast. And he just chased. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I just heard him say. Oh, there. See, there's 2 of them. I just heard him say, "You shall not be." He's coming back and above and back. Play-by-play action of one of the biggest bees I've seen. He's a friendly one. Oh, there he is. See, I was looking at the wrong one. There you go. Oh, look at that. He's coming right up. Come on. He's coming right up to the camera. Isn't that something? Come on. That's it. There you go. Oh, no. Into the cherry tree and back. Did you see that? Let's see if he'll come back. I'm chasing him. Boy, he's making me dizzy. I'm up and down and back. There he is. Yeah, he came and checked us out. Hi. Hi, little bee. Big bee. You're a big boy. Ah, you're a busy bee too. And you're fast. I just can't believe how fast. They can go from 0 to 60. Miles an hour. Not kilometers. Oh, there he is. And he's chasing the bird away. He just chased that bird. There he is. Let's see what else is going on. If I don't mind, I'll keep going. There, he's coming back. Hi. What? See that? There you go. He's looking at me right now. Look at that. He's right up. Oh, sounds good. Oh, now where the heck you go? And there's another one now, way up at the corner of the house. I've been following that one. He seems to be monitoring the upper. There he goes. And my buddy here seems to be covering this side of the pass. The pass. The bug bush trail pass. Huh? Or all the garbage between the houses. Hey, oh, on. There we go. I'm gonna get right up and lift my arm up. Man, he's just like a UFO. Now there's a bug that just went up there. You know those UFO videos where they're just standing there and they go all of a sudden, neat, 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 neat. It's right beside me. I can hear him. Isn't that something? Oh, jeez. Did you see that? There was a collision. Another one from nowhere came in at light speed with a shockwave of sound boom. It's going to come back here. I don't know where he went, but he seems... There's two of them going around. It's just if I stand somewhere else, it's hard to see him. Because he's... There he comes. Oh. Well, there they are. See, two of them. Up there. What do you think that is? Anybody bee guy? Oh, see, a bug went by and they chased them away. And now they just went behind me. I can't be leaving this post for too long. Oh, my arm is getting heavy holding this thing up. Let's see, I'm going to switch arms. Oh, my God. See, there he is. Way at the end of the house, corner, by the roof height. I wonder which one is this. I gotta give him names. I got the... Oh, just chased somebody there again. There. Did you see? Now he leaves. He's back. He literally, I don't know how he can see. Look at, see, he just chased something away. And then there's my buddy here. This is the one that... Oh my God, look at that. Look at. You see them going? They're going at it. There's like, it's a dogfight in the air. World War I. And it's over. He's back. You know, I'd say about fighting in the wars, I got like 99 hours of boredom and then like 30 seconds of sheer terror. Or wow, I don't know what the ratio is, but the wording, famous quote somebody said. There he is. I'm coming right at him. That's fantastic. It's neat to see just some interesting things like this. You see bees all the time. I see them being, doing their thing in the trees here, which I'll show you quickly. This is what it's all about, I think. Another cherry tree. Okay. Cherry tree, big cherry tree. Lots of, it looks good this year. We should have lots of cherries. The buds look good. We didn't get hit by frost or snow. You can see that looking pretty good. So yeah, I wonder if this is what the whole fuss is about. There he is there. He's still on his post. You see him? He's right above me. I'm gonna get you guys dizzy if I keep following because he's literally... Oops. You know their pattern. They're very predictably random. I don't know if there's such a thing. Hey, there he is again. Let me hold my hand out. Did you see that? I'm going to put my hand right there, just for scale. You'll see how close he is. He's literally a foot away. You see? My hand's about 3 feet away, okay? See, he's about 6 feet away. Not even that. 5. There he comes. That's literally a foot away. He just come buzzing in. Non-stop action. In real time. Bee business. Oh, see? He's going back. Oh, wow, eh? Oh, yeah. There you go, buddy. Take a look. Say hi. I don't know. You'll see a little dot there. Don't worry. It looks like 2 eyes. Maybe he, don't be afraid. There's no wings on this thing. Zink. Can't help but chase him. Oh, did you hear that? That's neat, eh? How he can hover. There you go. See that? There you go. The underbelly of a bee. Oh, another intruder. There he goes. Took him a while to see it. I saw it before him. You're slacking. See that? You can see his eyes. At least for mine. I'm holding the camera just straight out. Oh, there he is. He's going for my head. Attack of the killer bees. He's a friendly bee. He's just doing a job. It's his duty. Look at that zigzag pattern. That is like strategic. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Well, these guys have got it figured out. The whole defensive position, the strategy. See that? Hey, good. Look at that, eh? Isn't that wild? You know, he could land on my hand. I don't care. He won't bite. They don't do that. I'm not a threat. I'm just an observer. And I think he's figured out that I'm not anything to worry about. Because look at him. He doesn't seem to be bothered. Hey, a lot of people get freaked out on these. I find them fascinating. But look at his legs. His legs, which is his pollen basket hanging there. It's got no pollen. You got to get to work. You got to look for that good yellow stuff. Usually they're that's where they put the pollen when they go in and out of the buds and pick up the oh, are you getting dizzy yet? I should just stay still here. Let's see if he'll just find my favorite spot. Okay, come over here. You have to stand on the X. Here he comes. Anybody into bees? This is a great video. Hey, look at that, eh? He's came, he's checking out, and he has to go and say, hey, I'm busy. Oh man, he just chased. Look at, there's 2 of them there. He just got rid of it. He mustn't. He certainly, don't see them come back after he deals with them. What does he do so fast? Do they bite? Eh? See that? Oh, see that? One flew by, and it was like, see ya. Oh, my arm is killing me. Look at that, eh? He's still. Oh, that's good exercise. I switched. I'm a righty. I'm using my left, so camera's going to be trademark shaky. Bright sunlight too, but you see him against the house. Oh, see that? And we got rid of that one. Very, very defensive. Boy, oh boy. Isn't that something? I'm trying to follow. Oh. You know how it is, they got that. For the size of these things, how do they even fly? Yeah, that's a cool shot, eh? See that? Oh, he just got rid of somebody. Oh, did you see him going between the houses there? Let's see if he comes back. Hey, who are you? Oh, they're pretty smart, eh? They work in a team. And it's like hockey. You got your defense and your offense. 3 guys, right? One moves to the right, the other guy kind of fills in. Oh my God, they've been listening to Don Cherry or something on plays a long time ago. There he goes. So he's here, and the other guy Let me see if we can tell who's who. Does he have any pollen? Any pollen on his leg? I don't know who's who here. I don't know. This guy's he has a different way of guarding. He seems to wander off a little bit. And bee number 1, I guess. This is bee number 1 or number 2? I think that's bee number 2. He just took off in between the houses. Anyhow, I thought if you guys found that interesting, there is something going on with these bees here. There's 2 of them. And they're working as a pair. Maybe when I see them attacking, they're sharing, they're whispering into each other's ear about what the plan should be. Well, I don't see anybody here. There's stuff going on in my cherry tree, but it looks like the bees decided guard duty's done. The VIP in the limo passed by. They can now go off to their next gate, Anyway, I thought you'd find that interesting. Let you see my yard here before we go. The bee blog. The bee blog. And this is where he is, and we'll see him again. I'll talk to you. Bye.